Eventually, though, the stuck areas will release all at once, causing massive shaking of the ground that could extend for hundreds of miles from the epicenter. The most terrifying part of this ordeal is that there is nowhere to hide or escape. Everywhere you stand during an earthquake will shake and rumble. Literally, the safest thing anyone can do, should they have the opportunity, is to get to an open area where there are no structures around. That way, even though the ground shakes, nothing can fall on you, which is how most earthquake-related deaths occur. There have been many deadly earthquakes throughout history, and even in recent years. In March of 2011, northern Japan was rocked by a magnitude 9 earthquake. Of natural disasters, dust storms usually don't appear on many people's radar. That is mostly due to the fact that dust storms only happen in arid or semi-arid regions. However, if you ask anyone who lives in one of these regions, they will tell you precisely how dangerous and crazy these events can be. Dust storms or sandstorms happen when gust fronts or other strong winds blow loose sand and dirt from a dry surface. As these sand and dust particles are pushed into the ground over and over again, they themselves loosen up other particles. The process goes on until so much dust and dirt has broken loose that they blow freely with the wind, forming humongous clouds, sometimes resembling walls, that can deposit massive amounts of dust over a large area. It's almost like a horizontal moving avalanche. One of the worst dust storms in history was known as Black Sunday. One particular dust storm occurred on April 14, 1935. Where the dust storm grew so large that it displaced 300 million tons of topsoil over the American prairie area. After multiple deaths and millions of dollars in agricultural damage was done, hundreds of thousands of people relocated to other parts of the country. While extreme, the dust storm of Black Sunday is nothing new to the planet. Countries like Niger, Chad, Burkina Faso, and even Australia all live with the constant threat of these dust storms. On our list, we have one of nature's largest and deadliest storms. Hurricanes are rapidly rotating storm centers that have a low-pressure center, strong winds, and pounding rain. Although incredibly beautiful when seen from above, they are one of the most dangerous natural disasters on the planet. The first thing that makes these storms so dangerous is the wind speed. The weakest type of hurricane, a Category 1, has a minimum sustained wind speed of 74 miles per hour. A big thing to point out here is that the key word is sustained, meaning that this is the constant speed of the wind. Gusts can be measured much higher. The categories go up from 1 until you get to the most dangerous category.